Roshni, and welcome to beta day number, I don't know what day I'm on. It is a rainy day here in St. Louis, and I am on my way to a Microsoft event that I got an invitation to just yesterday, so it's real last minute, and I'm so happy that I could actually attend because the childcare struggle is real. And I'm not even sure if I can film when I get in there, but if I can, then you guys will be seeing this video. I'm late, and today is one of those days that I wish that I lived around the corner from the Galleria like I used to.
I see who is here though.
Hi! On 270. Robin, hi! Okay. That's alright with me. Hi! Of course I'm filming. You know I'm filming. I already asked.
You're going to have to talk to my attorney. I'm going to send a cease and desist.
Video. Video? Girl, no.
Students and teachers in our stores using current technology and especially for younger ages. These young kids are using OneNote for digital learning in the classroom, just writing notes and marking up homework. The stylus.
Parents, the educators, the students, all can access everything. You know, it used to be, a few years ago, the kids all had a thumb drive that was on their school desk. We have cloud now, so we have OneDrive and you can connect to everything.
So many of the devices that we see in schools across the country, the technology is focusing those kids down a certain path that may not be where their creativity is meant to go. And so at the surface, if you want to use handwriting, you can use handwriting.
I just wanted to say thanks again for everyone coming. I think this was a great discussion.
That's right, get it, y'all, get it. Fun. Oh, my necklace is all twisted up. I just got back in the car from the rain, and of course, I didn't take my umbrella, so it's starting to expand, but it's still holding up pretty good in the front there. I'm gonna retwist it again when I get home. I got a tablet, which is what I was hoping I would get. I don't think that's the first time I've been in that store, but it's the first time I've actually had like lots of information go down. They have some free seminars, so if you're interested, you should probably call your Microsoft store and find out about the free seminars. I didn't know that. And that panel was really, really interesting. I'm not an educator, I'm not a teacher. My son isn't even in school yet. However, my son is going to be in school relatively soon. Please subscribe to my channel. This month I am doing vlog every day in August, so you should look out for a video from me tomorrow. Until then, be encouraged. Bye y'all.
I gotta be me, yeah. Said I gotta be